Hello student. Chapter 6 Triangle and its property. In that today we start exercise 6.5. Okay. In that first question. PQR is a triangle right angle at P. Means PQR is right angle triangle. And if PQ is 10, PR is 24, find QR. Okay. First we draw figure here. Look. Question number 1. In that triangle PQR is there and that is right angle triangle and it's right angle at point P. So write down here P and here Q and R. Okay. Now PQ is given, that is PQ means this side. Measurement of that one is 10 centimeter. Then measurement of PR is given, that is 24 centimeter, and you just find out QR. Question marks. Okay. Now yesterday I told you that we opposite side of right angle, that is called hypotenuse. Okay, we take hypotenuse as C. So that is C equal to question mark. Here A equal to and this one is B equal to. Okay. Now according to Pythagoras, here QR is hypotenuse. Okay, and PQ and PR are legs. So according to Pythagoras, C square equal to A square plus B square. Square of hypotenuse, that is equal to sum of square of legs. We know that. Okay. Now A means 10 centimeter. So 10 square plus that is 24 square. 10 square is 100 plus 24 square equal to, that is 576. You just multiply them here, 24 into 24, and find out the answer. Okay, that is 576. So total is 676. C square equal to 676. So you just convert 676 into square form. Otherwise what to do? Find out square root of that one. So C equal to square root of 676. Here you just write down into square form, otherwise here you just write down in a square form. Okay, and for that one what to do? Find out prime factors of this one. So 676 prime factors. First we divide with 2. 2 3s are, same here 3s are and 8s are. Again 2 1s are 2, 13, 6 2s are 12 and 9s are. Now 169, we know that that is square of 13 and 13s are 13 1s are. So in a square form. So here you just write down 2 square and 13 square, then remove these squares. Otherwise here C equal to square root of 670, the square root of 2 square and 13 square. Now remove square and square root, that is 2 into 13 equal to 26, means C equal to 26 centimeter. C means hypotenuse, that is QR. So our answer QR equal to 26 centimeter. That's your answer. Okay. Same second one. Look, question number 2. In that triangle ABC is that, and that is right angle at C. Okay, and AB and AC are given. So triangle ABC, and that is right angle at C, here A and here B. Okay, measurement of AB is given, that is 25 centimeter. Then AC is given, that is 7 centimeter, and CB is not given. Question mark. Here we take C, here A and here B equal to question mark. Okay, otherwise you just take AB, AC and CB. Okay, this okay. So same here, according to Pythagoras, C square equal to A square plus B square. Otherwise you just write down AB square equal to AC square plus CB or BC square. Okay, now put the values. So C means 25 square equal to 7 square plus B square. 25 square is 625 equal to that is 49 plus b square. Now change the side of 49. So 625 minus 49 equal to b square. 625 minus 49 equal to 576 equal to b square. That means b square equal to 576. Now write down this one into square form. So for that one, just factorize that one. 2 za, 2 2 za 4, 8 za and 8 za. Again 2, 144. Then again 2, 72. Again 2, 36. Again 2, 2 za 9, 3 za 3 and 3 za 1. Make pair of 2's here. So they are 2 square, 2 square, 2 square and 3 square, that is b square. Now remove square both of sides. So b equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So b equal to 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12 and 12 2 is 24. That is 24 centimeter. B means BC. Okay. So BC. So BC equal to, B means BC. So BC equal to 24 centimeter. That's your answer. Okay. Same. Now third one. Look, in that third one, the 15 centimeter long ladder is there. This one is ladder and measurement of that one is 15 meter. Okay. Reach a window 12 meter height here. That is ground level, and here height of that one is 12 meter. Okay. From the ground, placing the against a wall at a distance a, and distance of that ladders, okay, and the wall is a. You just find out distance of foot of ladders and wall, means you just find out this ladders. So here we take 90-degree angle. So opposite side of that one is hypotenuse, right angle triangle is there. Okay. So length of ladders, that is our hypotenuse. Okay. So here this type of figure is there. 90-degree ladder is there. Okay. 15 meter, and length of that one is, we take C. Here A is question marks. Okay. And B equal to 12 meter. That is height of wall. Okay. Means height of window. So according to Pythagoras, C square equal to A square plus B square. C square, that is length of ladders, 15 square equal to A square plus 12 square. That is 225 equal to A square plus 144. Now change the side of that one. 225 minus 144 equal to A square. That means A square equal to 225 minus 144 equal to, that is 81. Okay. Now write down 81 into square form. Otherwise you just factorize that one. 81, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 1. 27 are 9 are 3 are. Okay. Otherwise you just directly, we know that is square of 9. Directly write down 9 square. Square remove. So A equal to 9 meter. Okay. That means ladders foot of ladders and wall, distance between foot of ladders and wall is 9 meter. Clear? So easy. Now question number 4. Look in that one. What is given? In that one, which of the following can be side of right angles? You just check that one. Okay. 3 sums are there, and you just check they are side of right angle or not. Okay. In that first one is there. First one, in that 3 measures are there: 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay. So we know that the length of hypotenuse is always greater than legs. That means highest one is hypotenuse. Okay, and we take hypotenuse as a C. So here C equal to 6.5 centimeter, A equal to 2.5 centimeter, and B equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, now here we find out square of A, B and C. So first we find out C square. C square means 6.5 square. Here decimal is there. So just multiply 6.5 with 6.5. Otherwise what to do? Just take 65 upon 10 whole square. Okay. Now I just directly write down 65 square. That is 4225. Divided by 10 square is 100. Equal to 42.25 centimeter square. Okay. Now A square equal to 2.5 square equal to 25 upon 10 whole square. 25 means 625 divided by 100, that is 6.25 centimeter square. And B square equal to 6 centimeter means 6 square, that is 36 centimeter. Okay. Now according to Pythagoras we know that C square equal to A square plus B square. That means you just check the A square plus B square is equal to C square is there or not. Okay. So here we find out A square plus B square. A square equal to 6.25 plus B square equal to 36. Okay. Addition of that one. 36 means 36.00 and here 6.25. That is 42.25. 42.25. 42.25, that is here. And what is the measurement? Whose measurement is that? That is C square. C square means here C square equal to A square plus B square. Means they are the sides of right angle triangle. Okay. They are the side of right angle triangle. Means they form right angle triangle. Okay. Another one, number 2. Look, in that the measurements are 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Highest one is 5 centimeters, means that is hypotenuse. So we take C, that is 5 centimeter, A equal to 2 centimeter and B equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we find out C square equal to 5 square, that is 25. A square equal to 2 square, that is 4. B square equal to 2 square, that is 4. Okay. Now here we check A square plus B square, that is 4 plus 4 equal to 8. That is not equal to 25. Not equal to 25 means C square. So here C square is not equal to A square plus B square. So right angle triangle not form. Okay. They are can not be the side of right angle. Okay. Same in third one. 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 is highest one. So that is C equal to 2.5 centimeter, A equal to 1.5 centimeter and B equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. So we check the C square equal to 2.5 square. Okay. So 2.5 means 25 divided by 10 whole square. 25 square is 225 and 10 square is 100 and that is 6.25. Okay. A square equal to 1.5 square, that is 15 divided by 10 square. 15 square is 225 divided by 10 square is 100. Okay. Just do the square of both one. Okay. So 2.25 and B square equal to 2 square, that is 4 centimeter. Okay. So addition of A square plus B square, that is 2.25 and here 4 means 4.00. 6.25, they are same here. Okay. So here C square equal to A square plus B square. Okay. So right angle can be formed. They are the side of right angle triangle. Okay. So here we solve first 4 questions. Okay. Just complete first 4 questions in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.